The FRE 700 series inverter is a highly reliable product, but incorrect peripheral circuit making or operation and handling may shorten the product life or damage the product. Before starting operation, be sure to check the following points. For wiring the power and motor, we recommend a round crimp terminal, which does not easily fall off even if the screws become loose. In the Y-type crimp terminal, loose screws due to vibrations may cause the power terminal to short-circuit the interfere output terminal by accident, which may damage the inverter. Please avoid such wiring. Metal pieces or wire offcuts may cause accidents due to abnormalities, failures, or malfunction. When making a mounting hole in an enclosure, etc., be careful not to let the chips and other foreign materials in the inverter. For more information, please refer to the text and manuals. Now, I'd like to show you how to install the inverter. To install the inverter on the enclosure surface, please make sure the inverter is vertically oriented. Do not install the inverter transversely or horizontally. Doing so may cause an alarm or a significant decrease in machinery life due to overheat. Before installing the inverter, remove the front cover and the wiring cover to fix the inverter. For heat dissipation and maintenance purposes, leave more than 10 centimeters of overhead underneath clearance and more than 1 centimeter of left-right side clearance between the inverter and other devices or enclosure surfaces. For installation standards, please refer to the manual of your target model. Now let's check how to install multiple inverters onto the operation cabinet. When installing multiple inverters in the same enclosure, place them horizontally as shown in the right figure. When placing them vertically, provide air guides between inverters to prevent possible failures due to the temperature rise inside of the upper row inverter from the heat from the lower row inverter, as shown in the right figure. In addition, provide ventilating openings or enlarge the enclosure to keep the surrounding air temperature of the inverter lower than the permissible temperature. There are also other standards regarding the installation environment, such as ambient temperature, humidity, and vibration. For more information, please refer to the manuals and take proper measures.